Oh, hi, I didn't see you there.
Oh, hey.
I'm Michael.
And I'm Rachel.
And this is our web show.
So pretty much. So pretty much. Pretty much.
Yeah, hi.
Welcome to our show.
Hey, Rachel, did you hear about Patrick?
No, I didn't hear about Patrick. What?
You know how we came up with the idea of having a web show?
Yeah.
Well,
Well, what?
I'm trying to tell you.
Well, fuck, Michael. Fucking tell me. Like, oh my god, Michael, just tell me right
Okay,
now.
fine. Well, Taylor and Patrick, they decided to make a web
What?
show.
Did they really? How can they do that? They can't do that. Our web show.
This is the best.
In Patrick's web
It's
show.
as boring as a fly landing on
You know,
shit.
Michael, that's not actually boring. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
I'm always right.
Wow, Rachel, that was really creepy.
Creepy's my middle name. Anyway.
Basically, what we're trying to say here is don't watch Patrick's and Taylor's show, because it sucks.
Patrick's a dude. Michael, don't jump me, Michael.
What?
Do you want to pretend we're on a roller coaster?
Sure.
We're locking up. We're locking up. So yeah.
Subscribe to
So pretty much.
Rachel, we're obnoxious.